The binomial model is a mathematical framework used to estimate the fair value of an option by mapping out possible future price paths. The name comes from the fact that at every step, the stock price can only move in one of two directions. Think of it like a tree structure where each branch splits into two, representing the potential price at the end of a time interval. To calculate the value, we look at the probability of these moves and discount the expected payoff back to today's dollars. While Black-Scholes is a standard formula, the binomial model is preferred when you need to account for early exercise features. As you increase the number of steps in the tree, the binomial model converges closer to the theoretical Black-Scholes value. Remember that all models rely on assumptions about volatility and interest rates, which are just estimates at best. Understanding these models helps you see how financial professionals value complex contracts. Subscribe for more finance basics.